What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Merry Christmas. I got my Browns jersey on. This is a big game for the Browns, and I hope you guys are safe out there. Definitely worked on COVID unit past few days, and pretty brutal. It was pretty brutal taking care of 7 patients. And I'm still beat up from that. Joints are beat up, man. It's crazy rough haul, and hopefully it'll be over with. But I have 3 high yield real estate investment trusts that are powerful for you guys. One of them I own. These have significant dividend increases, and these are on my radar. And I can't thank you guys enough. We are at 6,800 subscribers on this YouTube channel. 6,800 YouTube dividend warriors strong, which I absolutely love, and I can't thank you enough. So I wanted to post a video on Christmas for you guys. Let's make Santa jealous with these 3 dividend stocks. These are definitely on my radar. I really like the way these are high yield dividend stocks. Their revenue has increased over time, and their dividends have increased over time. Some of these you may never even heard of, so I have to show you guys. So let's check these out right now. That first stock is Alexander's Incorporated, sitting at $260.09. Has a dividend yield of 6.92% with a PE ratio of 18.10. Market cap is $133 billion US dollars. Its year range is 246.15 to 308.39. Day range is 256.65 to 261.50. What is so special about these guys? I have to show you, and it doesn't look like they're doing too well against the S&P, which makes these guys somewhat attractive as a dividend stock. So I have to reveal this to you. Alexander's Incorporated is a real estate investment trust engaged in leasing, managing, developing, and redeveloping properties. Alexander's activities are conducted through its manager, Fernando Realty Trust. Alexander's has 6 properties in the greater New York City metropolitan area, consisting of 731 Lexington Avenue office and retail, including Bloomberg LP's World Headquarters and Rego Center Complex in Rego Park, Queens, including the Rego Park 1, 2, 3 retail properties, and the Alexander Apartment Tower, and retail property located in Flushing, New York. Okay, so this is very interesting with these guys as a real estate investment trust. What do they bring to the table? Let's check out their revenue. But here's some things to look into with these guys. These are high yield dividend stocks. And again, you see the revenue from 2014, 200. This is in millions US dollars. 200. This one. Just keep an eye on. This one I'm studying closely. I'm not going to pull the trigger on, but this is a high yield dividend stock, and I have to show this to you guys. So 2014, 200.814, then 2015, 207, then 226. Then 230, then 232, then 226, then 199. You can blame the pandemic card on that. So these guys are pretty powerful. Again, this is in millions of US dollars. So here's the thing. I'm going to show you their overall price per share and how they look with their trends. I did the past 5 years. I'm going to show you the actual price and how it fluctuates. Okay. And then I'll show you its dividend history. So over time, these guys hit the 400s at one point, 2007. Then came the big, recession. Then they've been fluctuating a little bit. It's a little bit volatile, okay, and it still really hasn't come out strong post-pandemic, which makes these guys an attractive dividend stock with a dip happening. Now, again, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. This one ain't cheap. These guys generate a ton of revenue, and the market cap is 1.33 billion US dollars. This is a very underground dividend stock. Many people don't discuss this one, the high yield dividend stock, and I'm going to show you its dividend history. Look at the trends of these guys. This is 2013. It was 275. Then it was 325, then it was 350, then it was $4, then it hit 450, and it's been a little stagnant at 450 as a quarterly dividend stock, but it is a high yield dividend stock. One to keep an eye on. It's sitting at $260.09. This is one that of the three, this one's a little iffy, but it's stuff. It has a high yield. It has generates a ton of revenue, and it again, it's $4.50. So if you have a decent amount, it'll compound and be a pretty strong dividend stock. So keep an eye on that one. Somebody mentioned this one to me to do a review on, and it appears to be a dividend stock to buy, also a dividend stock to watch. I wouldn't go for traditional Roth IRA material. As I always say with traditional Roth IRAs, you want to see your net asset value or your net income increase as well as dividends. I don't see that in these guys. This is just a really good dividend stock with a high yield, and it appears with the trends that its dividend increases over time, makes them attractive. They're a little stagnant right now. That's understandable, but this one I'm going to keep an eye on. I believe it is a strong dividend stock, but $260, it's a little expensive. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And here's another one, Getty Realty Corp. This appears to be a very attractive dividend stock. It's sitting at $31.15. Dividend yield of 5.26%, a PE ratio 17.74, market cap 1.41 billion US dollars. Year range is 25.94 to 34.21. Day range is 30.99 to 31.48. So what are these guys about? So they are a net lease REIT specializing in the convenience and automotive retail real estate. So their investment approach is macro perspective supported by comprehensive transaction underwriting and lease structuring. So automobility is a powerful agnostic and remains a dominant form of consumer transportation. Markets are experiencing population and traffic growth. Realized increased consumer demand. Institutional consolidation of fragmented sectors creates transaction opportunities. A versatile real estate retains land value and provides alternate use potential. Convenience and automotive retailers are essential business, and e-commerce and recession resistant. This is what I like right here. Okay. This is what makes these guys attractive. Convenience and automotive retailers are essential businesses, and e-commerce and recession resistant. So let's look at their portfolio. They have 1,021 properties in 36 states and Washington, D.C. So this right here, this is very attractive. They have, let's just use my state as an example. Oh, it won't let me click on it, but right here they have convenience and gas, 709 properties, car wash, 49 properties, auto parts, 6 properties. That's another one. Auto service, 50 properties. So it's understandable the way that they're saying with their mission statement and their the way they're looking at recessions and pandemics and all that, how they try to protect their real estate investment trust, and are they reliable? Are they valid? And I'm going to show you their revenue, which provides a perfect example as to why they are a powerful real estate investment trust. Let's check this out. This is what I like about these guys. Again, Getty Realty, symbol GTY, they're backing up their mouth. Look at their revenue. 2014, 99.893, 2015, 110,776, 2016, 115, 2017, 120, 2018, 136, 140, 147. I like these guys a lot better than Alexander's. You guys had me do a review on them. These guys are hot. Okay, I like this one. This one is right within my price range. It has a good dividend yield, which I'll reveal to you, and a rich dividend increase history. I like that with these guys, and it's better than the previous stock that I mentioned with its dividend growth rate, which I'll show you in 1 second. I absolutely love this one, and this one is high on my radar right now. Let me show you its dividend history. Remember, I always say don't chase yields all the time. Watch for yield traps, because ALX is kind of stagnant. It's still doing well revenue-wise, but these guys bring a lot to the table. Look at this dividend increase history. 2013, 20 cents, 22 cents, 24 cents, 25 cents, 28, 32, 37, 39, 41 cents. They're seeing dividend hikes consistent and it's sitting at $31.15 with a dividend yield of 5.26, PE ratio 17.8, annualized dividend of 164. That is a very attractive dividend stock, especially real estate investment trust. You guys had me do a review on Iron Mountain. I own this one, and I'm long in it, and I'll show you what these guys are about. So Iron Mountain right now is sitting at $51.30. It has a dividend yield of 4.82%, PE ratio of 23.41, market cap 14.85 billion US dollars. Its year range was 2772 to 5204. Day range was 5092 to 5204. So I'm going to explain to you guys why I like this stock, why I own it, why I have it in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. By the way, if you click my affiliate link on M1 Finance, you get cash, I get cash to build up our dividend portfolio. So take advantage of that if you have an opportunity. So I'm going to explain to you why with Iron Mountain, I like these guys. I'll do a review on these guys, and then I'll show you their dividend history and their revenue. So here's what these guys are about. So these guys have services with entertainment, shredding services, secure storage, secure IT asset disposition, inventory management, reporting, data centers, intelligent content service platform, document scanning and workflow automation, information governance advisory services, and Iron Cloud data management. Now, the data management is what I really like. So this real estate investment trust basically has, and I can show you a little bit about these guys. They're really going into the data cloud management and storage. Big thing is medical documents and securing, shredding, and their asset disposition, which is huge. And I'll go over the disposition real quick for you guys. But the data management, they store a lot of data. And again, this is a real estate investment trust that stores medical documents. So, you sign a waiver or something, it's stored with these guys, and you're paying rent pretty much. These guys are paying you to store documents. So this is really interesting. I'll show you that. So right here, this is stuff that they store: banking, energy, entertainment, fine arts, healthcare, insurance, law firms, library, mortgage and loan, pharmaceutical and life sciences, public sector, retail, and small business solutions. So they safely store, manage, and back up digital and physical assets. Security dispose of records and assets, shredding, recycling, and destruction of documents, media, and IT devices. That's huge. So that is something that's very important to store stuff, and then they shred it and all that. That is an important business. And I'm going to show you the revenue. What's crazy is these guys actually have like a storage location like out in Cleveland, I'm pretty sure. So I just find that really interesting, like a lot of documents from big hospitals. I work for a pretty big hospital in Northeast Ohio as a nurse, and a lot of those documents go there. So here's the revenue for these guys, and look at these trends. 3,117 again in million US dollars. 3,007, 3,511, 3,845, 4,225, 4,262, 4,147. So they are improving from 2013 on, which makes these guys a very attractive real estate investment trust, storing important data that you don't want in trouble, that to leak or anything. So these guys protect you and your privacy. And let me show you its dividend history. Look at this dividend history: 2015, 47, then 48, then 55, then 58, then 61. Then it's slowly almost getting up to 62 cents per distribution. Its PE ratio is 23.32, a dividend yield of 4.79%, annualized dividend of 247 right now. So of the three dividend stocks, I'm going to summarize. First one is expensive. It's a high yield dividend stock. It's expensive. I'm going to keep an eye on that one. I'm not going to buy it. Second one, I really like. And this third one, Iron Mountain, I own and am long on. So let me know what you think of these three dividend stocks. What do you think about Alexander's? ALX is the first dividend stock. Second dividend stock is GTY. Third one is IRM, Iron Mountain, which I own and I'm long on. Do you like Alexander's? I really want to see what your honest opinion is with those guys as a stock. So again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. 6,800 subscribers. Let's get to 7,000. So share these videos with your friends. Post it, links on YouTube's, other, YouTube links on other forums and stuff. And spread the word. These videos are free for you guys. I do these free for you guys. And I enjoy doing these videos for you guys. And I'm going to continue to post videos. And it's fun. It really is. And I'm doing this in Christmas. And I want to share the love. I want Santa to be jealous a little bit with some really good gifts that he can't even distribute to you guys. And those are dividends. You guys take care and have a good one.